Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is my Treasure Trove giveaway. This giveaway continues. I do want to apologize for the Halloween decor. I'm filming this before Halloween, and it's going up before Halloween, but if you don't see this until after Halloween, you know, I will change that up. This is my Treasure Trove giveaway, and I've been doing this for quite a while, y'all, a couple of years now, and y'all just really seem to like it. I just continue it it's about every month or so. I show you 3 groupings of giveaways items that you can receive, and you choose which you would prefer to receive. And I'll explain it more as we go on. But let me show you. First of all, I tell you who won last time. And our winner from last time is Anna Planka. And she chose number 1. And I'll just go very quickly because you've already seen it. Number 1 has the After Spa gloves. These are really nice. They're exfoliating gloves. And I want to say there's 2. I don't need to go into all the details. I think there's 2 in there. But anyway, when I use these, I use 1 at a time. And then when it's not fresh anymore, I just get rid of it and use the other one because I don't like them both on my hands. I just use 1 at a time. I'm left-handed. So anyway, and she got the Lizzie McGuire little set of the Lippy Scrub and Blush and an e.l.f. Lippy and the beautiful lip liners and this gorgeous. This is just so gorgeous. This is the I always forget, what do you call it? Why can't I ever think of what that's called? When ombre, but you know, it's going to go on clear. It's just stunning. This is I forget the brand at the moment. Essence. I thought it was Essence. Isn't that just, the component is gorgeous? And of course, it's gorgeous. I'm glad you're getting that, Anna. And then the this lippy. That is the Real Her Lippy. I think that's all for group number 1. So Anna Planka won that. Anna, please get with me. I don't have any of your information, so you'll have to get with me. So comment below, and then also send me a DM on Instagram or send me an email, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, both places. Yahoo for email. Okay, and so what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you a new group of number 1, and then I'll show you the other groupings, okay? And here we go. Group number 1 now is going to be this e.l.f. kit. Oh, the ring light, the shine from its light outside. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll try to get that close so you can see it. This is a gift set from e.l.f. What's in here is the Watermelon Glitter Face Mask, the Water Gel Moisturizer, and the Watermelon Jelly Cleanser. And it's called this kit is called Jelly Pop. So it's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop line skincare set. So you've got the face mask, the moisturizer, and the cleanser. And I haven't tried any of this, y'all, but I got this and I want, you know, I've had it for a little while and I got it on sale from e.l.f. e.l.f. has the best sales. That's where I get the e.l.f. stuff, is from their website on sales. And you can, the wonderful thing about e.l.f. is you can find them at the drugstore. So they're very affordable makeup products. And next we have a Seriously Satin is the name of this style of lippy. This is in the color Nectar, which I thought was really nice for fall. Very hard to see because I don't even think if I turn off the ring light if that's going to help. No, see, it doesn't help. So it is clear. You can see the bullet. Well, you might not can see the bullet, but it's a lucite, kind of a clear plastic, and then the bullet, you can see it so you can see how far you've gone. It matches my outfit today. So it's in this, they package it, you know, for drugstore makeup also. They package everything so well. So this is well cushioned, and it's just nicely packaged. They really do a great job at e.l.f. because they keep costs down. So it's very nice. And also in this grouping is this beautiful palette. I love this palette. I have it and I use it. I did take it out of the box to show you. It's called the Velvet Touch Eyeshadow Palette in Island Breeze. And, you know, here it is. It's got a little fur on it because I took it out of the... It's a nice component. And it opens, if I remember correctly, it opens this way. Yeah, it snaps open very nicely. And there is a mirror on one side. And the Color Saver is sort of glued on there a little bit, so I'm not going to open it. I know the glare is going to be a mess on it, but it's beautiful fall colors, and I have this palette and I really enjoy it. These are very creamy and very nice. The color payoff is really nice. So that is that. And then also I have this from Let's In Style. I have a pair of earrings. Y'all had really liked some of the earrings. Well, you know, the jewelry from Let's In Style is so much fun. This is this style of, it's a post, but then this goes to your back to lock it in place. And these are just gold hoops, and they have, you know, faux pearls on them. You can see the pearls. So they're not huge. I should have worn them. Well, heck, I do have earrings on. I should have worn them today because I do wear these. They're not huge, but they're also not tiny. So that is group number 1. So I will show you group number 2, and then I'll explain how to play, okay? Group number 2 is the same as it was last time because nobody chose it, okay? So we have this e.l.f. Eyebrow brush. I use this every day. I love it. We have the the lip primer and plumper. So this is a double-ended. It's a primer and a plumper. And a Seriously Satin in Pepper Lippy. So that's an orangey red, darker red, real pretty. We have the e.l.f. Blush in Blushing. This is the one that Camille chewed on. And then we have the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow in Hot Jalapeno. These are again, the color payout is wonderful on the e.l.f. products. And I also have a Let's In Style jewelry. This necklace is, I'm going to leave it, well, maybe, is it out? Yeah, here we go. It is a double strand necklace, and this strand has these little gold circles on it, and then the second strand is, whoops, it's easily tangled. Let me try to hold that up. These have little rhinestones on them, and this lays about here on you. Okay, it is adjustable. It has a little adjustable, so you know, you can do like that. So that's group number 2. And then group number 3, I wasn't prepared. Why am I not prepared? Anyway, group number 3 is a secret. So I have this empty bag right now, but this will be, it's a mystery. Group number 3 is a mystery. And some of y'all have told me before, you like these groupings, but you rather a mystery because it's just fun to get, you know, something, you know. And if you win, you know, I like to talk to you about your winnings, because if I'm going to send you out a package, I'm going to make it worth my while to ship it, because if I'm going to pay a shipping fee, I'm going to stuff that package. So there'll be more than this in there, depending on what you might like or dislike or whatever. So that is the Treasure Trove giveaway. So what I'd like you to do, now probably in the next couple of months, because I have a lot of giveaways going on, a lot of collabs going on, I'll probably just pick one winner for the next couple of months. So just put in there your favorite grouping. What do you like best? 1, 2, or 3. Usually I have you put them in order of how you would like to win them. In case you choose number 1 and number 1 is picked and I pick a second winner and your second choice is 3, then I would give you 3. Does that make sense? But this time, the next couple of times, probably just all you have to do is put in your very favorite. And, you know, it would be nice if you say, hey, Mary, instead of just 1 or 3. Let me look at the calendar and see when this will end. I came back in, y'all, with the dates, and there was a black spot right there on my face that was on the phone. So, well, I do have some spots, but anyway, I'm old, so it's okay to have spots. But anyway, this will end November 30th. Let's do that. And then that way, look for it that weekend. With the holidays coming up, it's going to be very busy. So I'm just concerned if I do it the weekend before, I'll forget about it. So that is how this works. And then when I do film that and post it, we'll have a winner and then we'll continue. Okay, so this is called the Treasure Trove giveaway, and I hope you enjoy it. A lot of you tell me that you do, and I appreciate that. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and have a wonderful November. Bye-bye, y'all.